that's the new BMW 5 Series long wheelbase. Long wheelbase being the highlight that has been just launched in India. We recently drove the car. Our review is live on the Carbide 360 channel. Go and check it out there. And let's just give you a quick overview of this car. So the price, it's 72,90,000 rupees ex showroom, and this has evolved and how in terms of design and every dimension. इंडियन मार्केट के लिए इसको प्रॉपरली रीडिज़ाइन में चेंजेस किए गए हैं, स्पेसिफिकली इसके बारे में आपको बताने वाले हैं. बट डिज़ाइन के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं. सो यू हैव अ नाइस वाइड फ्रंट एंड दैट लुक्स क्वाइट एंगुलर एंड has just the right amount of contrast, like this piano black finish on the bumper, nice angular design, the satin silver fringes around the grille here, and nice slats as well. What I love is that this grille is not overdone, it is not overly humongous. Also, I like the sculpting that you see on the hood here, and nicely the grille is flanked by these BMW LED swept back headlights. Nice DRL treatment as well. ये जो arrow eyebrows है काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. Traditional design that we have seen. Now when you walk towards the side, you have got nice 18-inch alloy wheels. 19-inch का भी आपको ऑप्शन मिलता है, but I think for Indian road conditions these fit very well because काफ़ी अच्छा टायर प्रोफाइल मिल जाता है. राइड क्वालिटी इसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी है, जैसा हमने आपको रिव्यू में भी बता रखा हुआ था. That being the highlight. So the 5 Series, the entire idea is that the focus has shifted from driving pleasure to passenger comfort, and that's quite obvious because most of the passengers they'll be sitting behind at the rear seat. So इसकी राइड क्वालिटी को पहले से ज़्यादा अच्छा बनाया गया है. सस्पेंशन इज बायस्ड ऑन द सॉफ्टर साइड and even the car feels uberly comfortable. Exactly why this for the first time is long wheelbase. So yes, 3105 millimeters is the wheelbase. पहले से ज़्यादा इसकी 129 millimeters wheelbase इसकी लेंथ को ऐड किया गया हुआ है. And when you walk towards the side, you will be impressed by the sheer length of the car because this is the long wheelbase. Long wheelbase because focus अब shift कर दिया गया है driving pleasure से passenger comfort के तरफ, and that's quite obvious because owners generally find themselves on the rear seat. So it's 3105 millimeters that long. How the wheelbase is around 129 millimeters पहले से ज़्यादा है. That's the added length, and you get 18-inch wheels as standard here with nice thick chunky tire profile. Now this really help in adding on to the ride quality and enhancing the ride quality of the car, which again is because the focus is centered on the comfort, as you'll see in our review as well. But जो मुझे इसकी सबसे अच्छी यहाँ पे लगती है वो है इसकी डिज़ाइन. काफ़ी फ्लश डिज़ाइन है इसकी. नॉट टू मेनी लाइन्स व्हाट आई लाइक. सो बहुत ज़्यादा एंगुलर नहीं है. नाइस even panels. You have your golden fringes, golden finish on the window line, and nice flush door handles as well. Then when you go towards the rear, you have this nice Hofmeister kink here, जो पहले से ज़्यादा pronounced है. You get 5 embossed as well. Nice Cooper line roof line that falls elegantly onto the boot, and which brings me to the rear end of the car, which again looks quite angular and quite wide. काफ़ी अच्छी sleek सी tail lights आपको यहाँ पर मिलती है. LED tail lights, काफ़ी अच्छा even design है. बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे आपको character lines नहीं दिखते हैं. Flush finish है, and overall goes with the entire appeal of the car. And with that done, let's see on the inside how it feels like. So on the inside, the BMW 5 Series looks completely new, completely fresh, और ये डिज़ाइन पहले से काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको luxurious और प्रीमियम भी लगने वाली है thanks to the choice of materials all over the cabin. You get nice vegan leather upholstery on the door pads, on the dashboard top, and you get nice wood trim finish on the central console and running the width of the dashboard right here. काफ़ी अच्छे डिज़ाइन एग्जीक्यूशन है, काफ़ी मॉडर्न ये लगती है, काफ़ी कंटेम्प्रेरी लगती है, एंड हैज़ गॉट ऑल द फीचर्स दैट यू नीड. There is a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, connected tech suite to everything that you can expect of a car of this stature. Then you have a 12.3-inch instrument cluster right here in front of the driver, which gives you all the information that you need. Graphics काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी शार्प हैं. बाकी डिटेल्स ऑलरेडी रिव्यू में लाइव है, आप वहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हैं. एंड टू टेल यू मोर अबाउट इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ फीचर्स, ऑटो डिमिंग रियर व्यू मिरर, लेफ्ट टू ADAS फीचर्स, वेंटिलेटेड कूल्ड हीटेड सीट्स, आपको ये सारे सेगमेंट स्टैंडर्ड फीचर्स यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. बट द हाईलाइट फॉर मी हियर आर नॉट द फीचर्स बट द वे द cabin has been executed, because again everything feels top notch. The sound system, Bowers & Wilkins, again sounds very acoustic, very premium. The seats are very comfortable. You get nice cushioning as well. And जो पहले 10,000 customers होंगे उनके पास ये customized cushions भी मिलने वाले हैं. That's what BMW has said. And you also get nice flat bottom steering wheel जो पकड़ने में काफ़ी अच्छी, काफ़ी solid लगती है. And with that, take a look at the entire features list right here. It's the long wheelbase, so obviously the highlight remains this rear seat space, जहाँ पर नी रूम लेग रूम की कोई कमी नहीं है. Because of that wheelbase आपको यहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छे से समझ भी आ जाता है. And the seats themselves are very well bolstered, very well cushioned. You can spend hours on them और यहाँ पर आपको कोई fatigue as such feel होने वाली है नहीं. काफ़ी अच्छा recline function भी मिलता है आपको यहाँ पर backrest में, nice cushions as well. So yes, this space will keep you comfortable for longer hours on the longer go, and you have all nice features as well, like 4-zone climate control. So पीछे भी आपको separate climate control मिलता है. You have a separate wireless charger here, cup holders, nice space in the central console and its armrest, and overall feels a very nice place to be in. You have got a big panoramic sunroof as well, which lets the light in. Cabin में sense of space भी बढ़ता है. You have Type-C charging ports. यहाँ पर आप entertainment screen भी integrate कर सकते हैं. The only thing missing are rear sun blinds. यहाँ side में भी and even no rear sun blind. So ये एक काफ़ी बड़ा मिस है, because I think a car of this class ये चीज़ें आपको basic से cover up हो जानी चाहिए थी. It's a 530 Li, meaning it's a 2-liter twin-turbo petrol engine coupled with a 48-volt mild hybrid setup, belting out 254 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of peak torque, and is mated 28-speed automatic transmission. Further, 0 to 100 km per hour run, it comes in 6.5 seconds, which is fairly quick for a sedan. And that was a quick overview on the BMW 5 Series long wheelbase, which is priced at 72,90,000 rupees ex-showroom. And let us know that क्या आपको पहले की जैसी 5 सीरीज में ड्राइविंग प्लेजर और कंफर्ट का बैलेंस वो ज़्यादा पसंद आती थी, और दिस 5 सीरीज विच इज़ मोर बायस्ड ऑन द कंफर्ट साइड, विच वन डिड यू लाइक बेटर? And at the same time, do go and check out our review of this car as well, which is live. That's a first impression review. A detailed review is coming live on Carback 360 channel very soon. So keep following us for all the updates in the Indian car bazaar. And at the same time, बाकी सारी गाड़ियों की walk around videos, Mini Cooper S, Mini Electric Clubman और BMW CE04, इनकी walk-arounds भी देखना मत भूलना. And keep following us for all the updates in the Indian car bazaar. I'm Sumit Parashar. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.